Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best jelly roll pan on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Silpat Premium Non-Stick Silicone Baking Mat. If a jelly roll pan is non-stick, why do some bakers use disposable liners like aluminum foil and parchment paper? These make it easier to clean up and act as a protective layer between the pan and food. The problem is that this method creates waste. A silicone baking mat is the simplest solution, and Silpat is the go-to brand for its superior construction and reliability. Silpat baking mats are made with fiberglass mesh and food-grade silicone. The durable construction allows the mats to be reused thousands of times. They can even improve the baking experience by encouraging even browning and distributing heat evenly. Just remember to wash by hand. Dimensions: 11.7 into 8.2 into 0.06 inches. Material: silicone. Weight: 3 ounces. What we like: reduces waste. Freezer and oven safe. Made with reinforced fiberglass mesh. What we don't like: can be tricky to store. Hand wash only. Number 2. Our second best pick is OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Pro Jelly Roll. Most jelly roll pans are made of aluminum. So, what makes this one by OXO different? It's made with an aluminized steel core coated in 2 layers of reinforced non-stick ceramic. The construction makes it resistant to scratches, stains, corrosion, and abrasion, and its textured surface promotes airflow to ensure even baking. The square rolled edges allow for an easy grip and make transfer a breeze, so you won't struggle to remove it from a hot oven. Though the pan is oven safe, some users have experienced warping at high temperatures. Some bakers also found the pan smaller than expected, with internal dimensions of 8.49 inches into 13.37 inches. Dimensions: 10 into 15 into 1 inches. Material: aluminized steel and ceramic. Weight: 1.56 pounds. What we like: resistant to scratches, stains, corrosion, and abrasion. Rolled edges for easy grip. Textured pattern promotes airflow. What we don't like: warps at high temperatures, according to some user reviews. Contains PTFE. Smaller than other jelly roll pans. Number 3. Our third best pick is Ultra Cuisine Baking Pan with Cooling Rack Set. Jelly roll pans are the unsung hero of making bacon, chicken wings, and roasted vegetables in the oven. You just need to use a rack. This set from Ultra Cuisine features both a sheet and a rack to help you take your food to a new level. The set comes with an aluminum baking sheet that measures 16.1 by 11.2 by 1.3 inches and has a reinforced steel rim to protect against warping. The 14.75 by 10 by 1 inch stainless steel rack, which can also be used for cooling, is made to nestle perfectly inside. It's rust resistant, and the wire grid features 3/8 inch holes. Both the rack and baking sheet are safe in the oven up to 575 degrees. While Ultra Cuisine recommends hand washing the jelly roll pan, the rack is dishwasher safe. Dimensions: 16.1 into 11.2 into 1.3 inches. Material: aluminum, sheet pan, and amp, stainless steel. Rack: weight: 2.44 pounds. What we like: heavier weight than average prevents warping in high heat. Flexible use for baking, veggie roasts, and sheet pan dinners. Comes in set with matching cooling rack. What we don't like: advises use of parchment paper or silicone mats while baking. Can be more difficult to lift and work with for anyone with arthritis. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Wilton Performance Aluminum Jelly Roll and Cookie Pan. Wilton is often the first set of good quality pans burgeoning bakers acquire in their kitchen journey. Its small jelly roll and cookie pan should definitely be a part of anyone's set. This 15.5 by 10.5 by 1 inch pan is made from durable anodized aluminum, which means it has already been exposed to oxygen and won't react with your food. The hard surface of this baking sheet has a non-stick coating for easy cleanup. Wilton crafts the aluminum extra thick for even heat distribution while baking. It is recommended that this versatile pan is hand-washed with warm water to avoid damaging the surface. Dimensions: 1 x 11 x 16 inches. Material: aluminum. Weight: 0.7 pounds. What we like: great for baking cakes. Lightweight. Non-stick coating makes removal of sponge cakes for jelly rolls easy. What we don't like: high-temp veggie roasting is not advised. Scratches when using metal utensils. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is All-Clad Pro Release Jelly Roll Pan. An issue with many jelly roll pans is the lack of handles, making it tricky to grab the pan out of a hot oven. All-Clad produced the solution to this with an easy-to-grip pan with oversized handles in its Pro Release line. The jelly roll pan, which measures 15 by 10 by 1 inches, is crafted from heavy-gauge aluminized steel and boasts 2 layers of ceramic-reinforced non-stick coating that's PFOA-free. This finish protects the pan against scratches and allows for a quick release, which is also made easier with its handles. All-Clad's pan is safe in the oven up to 450 degrees. Washing by hand is recommended to preserve the integrity of the pan's surface. Dimensions: 18.5 x 10.94 x 1.34 inches. Material: alloy steel. Weight: 2.5 pounds. What we like: oversized handles for easy grip. Heavy construction. Non-stick coating. What we don't like: extended size due to handles may not fit in smaller ovens. Pricey. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.